A .240 average for Braun going into today's game. And there's a drive back to center field, and the Brewers take a 2-0 lead. Braun crushes one, his 5th of the year.
Well, he was waiting for that fastball, and that's what you have to do against Russell, or I should say Jake Arrieta. He's going to give you a fastball to hit early in the count. He likes to work ahead, and Ryan Braun, a first pitch heater right down the middle at 94 miles an hour. Knocks it out of here to center field. Splits home plate right in half. Look at Braun, barrels it up. I'm guessing that's not going to be the only home run today. The wind's blowing out here at Wrigley.
We may see a couple.